Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can change your default mail in iOS 14. So for doing this you just need to download alternative mail you want to set as default. So just download it from App Store and just check if also this app has option for default browser. So just check this thing because I thought that I could choose Gmail as default, but also Gmail hasn't this function, this option for be default browser. So we just need to download another, for example, Outlook, and I will show you an example of Google Chrome how you can set it. So just open the app you want to set as default browser mail, and here you will see default browser app and your mail you choose before. Just tap here, and here you will see variants options. You can also choose for be default browser mail on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.